To get a new position, the wind was switching. Oh, he's making noises. Whoa. Yeah, we couldn't get close enough to untie it.
Okay.
Oh, she's untied herself, that boat. She's floating out to sea.
Oh, she let go, eh?
Yeah.
We got a rope on the back of that, Johnny, or no? Yes, there is. Still tied off.
Oh, okay.
On my window. Yeah.
Do you think they were plugged into the power? Do you think was the boat? No, it wasn't being plugged in. Isn't that wild, eh? Is that your boat?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I've had it since 1977.
You watch it, I'll get someone to come over. Okay.
That's not good.
They're really fast with the hoses, huh?
Yeah.
Well, Jim Cotton just knocked on the door. He says, "You better go over and help him." We tried with some hoses.
Yeah.
Just couldn't get near it. Pretty hot. I'm afraid we could gasoline tank. I don't know if we will.
Oh no, it's just a fiberglass shell or a plastic shell on the gas tank.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well,
I saw one at a gas station. Boom! Blew the whole gas station apart. Yeah. When that thing goes. Yep. But it's got to get through the floor first, eh? So I think that may be why it hasn't gone yet. Well, they're going to have it on their truck.
We got lots, guys.
Yeah.
How's that line, Tony?
No, I was going to go to the barrel. I'm not going to go on that.
No, you're not going out. Well, there's a boat for sale at the end of the thing there, if you want.
Yeah.
That's the only way you're getting a barrier.
Insurance is not going to get me any more than that. It's only insured for $13,000.
Wow. You didn't have anything done?
Into it? Do a lot of that. Just summer. Well, no, but that wasn't anything to do with the engine. Just the exhaust, the rubber elbows there. They were replaced.
Here she comes. Here comes the water.
Ready, Johnny? Yep.
Hit her. He's got to wait till somebody else gets behind him.
We don't put this thing under. Is there a ramp with this?
No, you got to go to 66 around the corner. I mean, if you get it and it's still floating, I can get you a boat to tow it, but...
Hey, John, as best you can put it out, we just want to sink it if we can. Okay. If we hit this side too loud, you're getting it. Hold your hand here. I don't know yet. Set up accountability. Hey, fire up. Yeah.
Never a dull day in Bayshore Village.